Hello everyone, welcome to the new MOOC of Regional Planning and Development. I seek your kind attention to the new course that is crucial to current academic world. Regional planning is specialized branch of planning that deals with the spatial organization and integrated development of regions, aim to achieve balanced economic growth, social equity, environmental sustainability. This MOOC is designed for a diverse audience interested in spatial organization and regional growth. From various disciplines such as planning, geography, architecture, economics and sociology, town planners, GIS analysts, environmental scientists, urban designers, staffs in the development authorities, municipal corporation, rural development departments, candidate focusing on UPSC and public service can also involve this course. Let our togetherness be the light that guides the world towards sustainability and shared dignity. Thank you.